ACV Auctions Honest Review. Watch before using. Most people think buying and selling wholesale cars is complicated, but ACV Auctions provides a fully digital platform for dealers to auction vehicles efficiently. ACV Auctions is a B2B online vehicle marketplace that allows dealers to buy and sell cars through live auctions. One standout feature is the inspection report system. Each vehicle comes with a detailed condition report, photos, and history, reducing uncertainty. Most people get this wrong. They assume physical inspections are always required. The surprising truth is that ACV certified inspections and app-based bidding make transactions fast, transparent, and reliable. Dealers can bid and buy cars nationwide without traveling. Another advantage is analytics. ACV provides market data, pricing trends, and insights to help dealers make informed purchasing decisions. Payment and logistics are also streamlined, making the process seamless from bid to delivery. However, there are considerations. ACV Auctions is only available to licensed dealerships. While the platform reduces risk, buyers still need to assess local regulations, transport costs, and market demand. In conclusion, ACV Auctions is a powerful tool for dealers looking to buy or sell vehicles digitally. It saves time, reduces uncertainty, and provides market insights, but it's only for licensed businesses. Subscribe for more honest automotive platform reviews before participating in your next auction.